Okay guys, welcome to this class. Quickly, I want to show you how you can withdraw your CTO into your Metamask wallet. I'm going to show you quickly CTO. We've been mining CTO inside the Satoshi app. Today makes it the second month. So we mined this project for 2 months, and today, which is September 11, the mining has ended and it's time to withdraw into your Metamask. So what are you going to do for you to be able to withdraw it into your MetaMask? The first thing is to come to projects, come to this place that looks like card, click on it, and once you click on it, you will see all your assets. These are some of the projects I'm mining, and you come to CTO, you click on it. After you must have clicked on CTO, it will bring this link withdraw address. So you click on link withdraw address. Now, after you must have clicked on link withdraw address, you need to go to your MetaMask, paste the address here, then paste your password here. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Please watch this video to the end. Don't skip anything, because if you skip anything, you might miss a vital point. Now I need to go to my MetaMask. Let me log into my MetaMask. But if you don't have MetaMask wallet, go and download it from Google Play Store. Go and download it from Google Play Store. This is my MetaMask. Let me show you quickly. MetaMask, MetaMask M. This is my MetaMask. Can you see MetaMask? So you go to Google Play Store and download it. Let me quickly input my so you log in. You log in. So you wait for it to load. You wait for it to load. Yeah, I've logged in into my MetaMask wallet. This is my MetaMask wallet. I need to copy the address of the CTO from this wallet. Please don't copy this wallet address yet. This one you are seeing here, don't copy it, okay? So the first thing you need to do is to come to this place. Can you see where I'm circling? Click on this place, click on it. It will open like this, because we need to add the network of that particular CTO. We need to add it to this MetaMask wallet. Then we copy the address. So what you need to do is to come here. You see where I clicked? Come here to the browser. You type. What are you going to do? You type codao.org. Codao.org. You click on it. You wait for it to load. Codao.org, and it has loaded. This is what you will see. You can accept all cookies. Then you scroll down. You scroll down to the last part of the page. Now you can see add core network. Add core network. Click on it. Click on add core network. Click on it. Click on it. Click on the add core network. Can you see? Then if you click on it, let me cancel. If you click on it, it will bring something like this for you. You click on confirm, confirm, confirm. And after you must have confirmed, you click on switch network. Click on it. Switch network. You have switched. Can you see? It says that you have switched to core dial inside your MetaMask. Then you click on got it. So you wait for it. You wait for it. You wait for it. You are done. Now come here. Click on home of your MetaMask. Click on home, and you will see that we have your core DAO here. You can see core DAO. You can see it. This is called DAO. You already have it inside your MetaMask. Copy this address. This is the address you will copy. Copy this address. After you must have finished copying it, you now minimize. Go back to your Satoshi. Paste the address here. Paste the address here. After you must have finished pasting it, you can now input your asset password that you set. Input your asset password. Input your asset password and click on CTO withdrawal. Click on confirm. Confirm. Then they will send a code to your email. They will send a code to your email. So you need to go back to your email. Go to your email. Pick up the code. Go to your email. Pick up the code. Yeah, this is the code 703965. 703,965. 703,965. Then you confirm. No withdrawal within 24 after the phone password has changed, which means I can't access because I just finished setting the password now. So which means that I'll be able to do it tomorrow. So I'll come back here to do it tomorrow. But basically that is how you can withdraw your CTO link word withdrawal address. If you're also setting your password now, you might not be able to do it now unless tomorrow. So just watch this video as guide. That is basically what you do. And immediately you're through with that, it will write it there that it has been successfully connected, linked with your MetaMask. So that is that. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. I do drop airdrop project videos here on my channel every week. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Drop a comment in the comment section if you have any question. And also, if you want to join our WhatsApp community, there's a link in the description section. You can click on the link, then you will be linked to our WhatsApp community you join. And we drop great, amazing project, verified projects on those platforms. And so many people are making money big time. All right, thank you, and see you at the other hand.